Hello my friends, I will show you today how to fix Bind DNS Server failed. Even if you restart, the Bind DNS Server doesn't work. First of all, go to see the status, the problem. So when you see it here, it's named.conf file in a 62 line. It says this name server is already exists. So what we have to do is we have to remove one line and we have to check if this name server is doubled on this configuration file. Let's go and fix it. Okay, I'm here. Let's go to adres, search for name.config, download. Okay, open up this file, editing. Okay, as you see, in 61 and 62 is the same line. What I have to do is I have to remove one line, just delete it, hit save, and now let's put this file again here at the server. Upload, find the file, it's here for me in desktop, send, file overwritten, go back here, restart the Bind server, and as you see, it's done. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Tips to fix.